welcome back. If you are new, I'm Ambrosia and I am the eclectic herbalist, and in today's video we will be discussing how to cleanse your crystals and set up a crystal bowl. Give me one moment because I have mine with me. Alright, so it has some stuff in it. Anyways, this is my crystal bowl jar. I have some crystals inside of it that generally sit on the outside. So this one, these ones might be in there actually, and then these ones are in here. I also put my crystal jewelry and necklaces in here as well. I did, like I said, recently clean it out to show you how to do that. So I will be doing a voiceover for the remainder of that part just because, as I said in another video, I filmed these 10 months ago. I filmed these 10 months ago, so I don't really remember off the jump for the B-roll. So I will see you guys when you get back. Catch you on flip-flop later.
I do keep my crystals in this little bowl. It was previously a candle bowl from Target, but I've repurposed it. So first things first, we want to remove all the crystals. Now these aren't all of my crystals, these are just my smaller crystals. Now normally I do check over the salt. In this case, it was layered with dust, as you can see. So I dumped it and washed the bowl. Make sure your bowl is obviously completely dry because we are working with salt. So dry it out very good, and then do your regular cleansing how you see fit. I use whichever water to do a water bath that I have. I had a lot of sun water this time, so I used sun water. And you do want to make sure you pay attention to what crystals you are submerging in water. Not a lot of crystals are water friendly, so you will notice that I don't put all of them in the bath. And in fact, what I do for those is I will dry off the crystals that I put in the water bath and use that paper towel to kind of wipe off the crystals that should not be submerged in water. That way it gets all the dust, and they're not just like not getting physically cleansed. While I have those drying off, I do give the bowl a bottom layer of white salt, and then I top it off with all of the Himalayan salt. So that was the rest of what I had in there, and then I use this whole thing because I like it to be a nice thick layer of salt. I put my selenite crystal in first, and I submerge it all the way into the salt just so it can spread its energy through the salt. And then, as you can see, I am wiping off all of the other crystals with that damp paper towel just so they get the dust off. And that is how I set up my crystal cleansing bowl.
Welcome back. So that is how you cleanse crystals and set them in a crystal charging bowl. As you noticed, there were some crystals that did not get dunked in water. They just got kind of wiped down. You do want to ensure you do not put crystals in water that are not safe to go in water. Again, there are crystals that also you will not want to put in the sun, as it will kind of drain them of their color and ruin them. So I believe some crystals that should not go in the sun are amethyst and rose quartz. I could be wrong. I'm not too well versed in it because I do not do crystal charging in the sun. I do crystal charging how you see and during a full moon. But I'm also, as I mentioned, not very good with moon things or the moon cycle. I have read a lot of books about the moon cycles and what to do, but I just tend to just forget. So that is how you cleanse your crystals and create a crystal charging bowl. I do want to get one of those geometric kind of glass containers because I think that will be prettier, but for right now I have this old candle bowl that my mom gave me. that she got from Target. So I will say, if you are looking for nice bowls to do workings in, hold crystals, I have another bowl just like that with a different color on the inside, and then a third bowl that's green that I plan to use as a money bowl. My mother has given me all of these bowls, and she gets them from Target, where they sell like when you first walk in, or in the candle section. They were just large 3-wick candles. She also got a cauldron last Halloween. I tried to nab it from her, but she said she's using it as decoration. But anyways, Target also has a nice cauldron candle during Halloween. Once the wax is gone. Very versatile. It's not cast iron though, so just a 411 for you. But other than that, that is all I have for this video. If you enjoyed it or are interested in following along for other videos like it, witchy, herbalism, or author talk, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, leave a comment and a like, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye!